Hello everyone and welcome to this unboxing slash quick assembly video of my brand new Specialized Crux Expert 2020, of which I am very stoked about. Quick story, I saw that bike on Instagram before it was released. I think someone leaked it, and anyway, I knew right away that this was the bike I wanted for 2020. So here we are, end of 2019. Just got this bike and that's it. Very stoked. Can't wait to ride it. But first, yeah, I need to unbox it and quickly assemble it. Of course, after this video, I will spend more time fine-tuning some things, disassembling the headset and the BB to apply grease and reassemble everything right. But yeah, in the meanwhile, here it is. Pas mal ça. Wow. Il est long. Ouais, je trouve aussi la couleur est... En fait, je pensais qu'il était plus vert que ça. C'est à cause de la photo, là.
C'est pas jaune.
Ben, ça c'est vert, ça c'est jaune. Ça aussi t'es color blanc?
Ouais. Genre du gris.
Ouais. Let's quickly review the specs of this Specialized Crux Expert 2020. It comes assembled with a SRAM Force 1 hydraulic group set, a Praxis Ziante carbon crank, Roval C38 carbon wheels, and specialized components for the saddle, seat post, bar, and stem. I appreciate the fact that it comes with the S-Works carbon seat post, which in my mind is one of the best seat posts out there on the market. It's light and very reliable. This frame, it's a 56 centimeter by the way, also features the hidden seat post binding mechanism, which we can see here. That gives a very clean look to the whole bike, and I also kind of like that. So there it is. If you have any questions about this bike, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I'll answer as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Cheers!